just received this massage gun from TOLOCO for a review, and I'm coming on here to review it and show you guys how it works. So first thing I wanted to do before unboxing it is show you guys how many attachments it has. It has 10 massage heads. So it is for all body parts. That is literally amazing. All right, so it does come with a user manual, and in here it actually explains to us which head is for what. So that's pretty cool. And then here are all the attachments. Got this one, got this one. Has some like these things on the top. Got this one, and then we've got this one, this bigger one, this one, and this one, and then I guess these two as well. And then it also comes with a charging cable. And then these are just some replacement rubber things for the attachment. Okay, here is the actual massage gun. And then this is the screen for it. So I have to tear it off before using it. And then to turn it on, you would just flip the switch right here. But I do need to put an attachment in. But as soon as I did that, it literally turned on here. But let me put an attachment before I do anything. Okay, so I put the basic one in there. And then let's see. Okay, so I just tapped it and it's on level 1. Let me see what that feels like. Wow, that's very smooth. I really like that. Okay, let's go up to, okay, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's no 8. 7 is the highest, I believe. Oh wow, that feels really good. So nice. It's very much of a low noise, like there's not really any noise in this. Other massage guns, I feel like I would say give more noise. And this is like kind of like more of a quiet massage gun. I believe this is how you stop it. You just press that. So this is all touchscreen, which is also very cool. So let me try out another kind of head. Okay, so apparently this is the bullet head and it's supposed to relieve deep tissue pain. So I'm going to try this one. All right, it's interesting that it's an orange color. Put it to the highest, to level 7. Oh wow, yes, I can feel that, like that's going way deeper than the other one. That's so interesting. I feel like out of all the massage guns I've tried, this is more of something that just like targets specific areas. I feel like that's the specialty in this. It really goes deep into those specific areas. That's why it has so many attachments. Okay, so this apparently is supposed to, this is the Y-shaped head. This is supposed to relax arm and leg muscles. So, I mean, I don't want to do any other body parts right now, but we just test it out on my arm again. Oh yeah, that is very relaxing. This is so different from the deep tissue one. It's like, it's more like it goes for more space and kind of spread out the whole arm. All right, so I tried out this for a few minutes now and I can tell you my full review and thoughts. Definitely think this is super cool how it has different heads and it will explain what each is for, and that each is for a different body part and a different purpose. I love that. I have seen other heads in other massage guns as well, but not this many. Like there's a lot of different shapes in here and that is super cool. So I definitely think that is one of the advantages of this one. I also like how it's touchscreen. That's really fun, and then it goes up to a high level and really kind of gets in there. So definitely recommend this massage gun. I mean, just for the weird heads, I think it's honestly worth it. I think that in other massage guns, you're not going to find this. So for sure, go get yours and see what you think for yourselves.